Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our Wellness Journey series. Today, we're diving deep into the power of natural health. In a world where technology seems to rule our lives, there's something timeless and grounding about embracing natural health. So let's explore how it nurtures your body, mind, and soul. First off, what exactly is natural health? It's all about embracing practices and philosophies that focus on prevention, self-care, and the body's amazing ability to heal itself. Think of it as a holistic approach that integrates natural remedies, whole foods, physical activity, and mental well-being. Unlike conventional medicine, which often targets symptoms, natural health aims to get to the root cause of illness and promote long-term wellness. Natural health is holistic in nature. It considers the interconnectedness of your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. From herbal remedies to yoga, mindfulness, and plant-based diets, natural health draws on centuries-old traditions while embracing modern scientific insights. It's like having the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about reconnecting with nature. Nature plays a profound role in natural health. Spending time outdoors, whether through forest bathing, gardening, or hiking, offers numerous physical and mental health benefits. First, reduced stress. Research shows that exposure to green spaces lowers cortisol levels and promotes relaxation. Imagine taking a deep breath in a lush forest and feeling all your worries just melt away. Second, improved focus. Natural environments enhance concentration and reduce symptoms of mental fatigue. This is beneficial for both children and adults. So next time you need a break, step outside and let nature recharge your mind. Third, boosted physical fitness. Outdoor activities encourage movement, supporting cardiovascular health, weight management, and overall fitness. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or a challenging hike, nature makes exercise feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Nature reminds us of the simplicity and beauty of life. It fosters a sense of gratitude and mindfulness that positively impacts our well-being. So take a moment to appreciate the natural world around you. In our fast-paced, tech-driven world, the allure of natural health is growing stronger. People are seeking sustainable and effective ways to improve their health, and natural methods provide just that. Remember, your wellness journey is all about finding what works best for you. Embrace the rhythms of nature and you'll find a path to true well-being. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of natural health. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on our journey to wellness. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.